In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share files and folders with others using the sharing feature. This is a simple yet powerful tool that ensures your documents and projects can reach the people who need to see them. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can feel confident in managing your shared files. To get started, you'll want to locate the file or folder you wish to share on your device. Once you've found it, right-click on the icon to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, look for and click on the option that says Share. This action will open a window that offers you several different sharing methods. If you prefer to share your file with specific individuals or groups, this next step is for you. In the Share window, you'll see a field where you can enter the email addresses of the people or groups you want to share with. Just type in their information, making sure that everything is spelled correctly to avoid any mishaps. Once you've entered the email addresses, you'll need to decide on the permission level you'd like to assign to these individuals. You have three options: viewer, commenter, or editor. The viewer permission allows them to only view the document and not make any changes. The commenter level lets them add comments but not edit the actual content. The editor permission grants full editing rights, enabling them to make changes to the document. Choose the level that best suits your needs and relationship with the recipients. When you're satisfied with the permissions and email entries, click the Send button. This will instantly share the file or folder with the selected people, and they will receive a notification with access to your shared content. Now, if you prefer a more general approach, where you don't need to specify each individual's email address, sharing via link might be more convenient. In the same share window you used before, look for an option that says Copy Link. Clicking on this will generate a shareable link that you can distribute freely. Before sending out this link, it's crucial to adjust the permissions for anyone who might access it. You can set the permissions just like before: viewer, commenter, or editor. Remember, setting more restrictive permissions can help keep your content secure from unintended edits. Once the permissions are set to your satisfaction, you can go ahead and send this copied link to anyone you want to share the content with, whether in an email, chat, or any other communication platform. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently share your files and folders, making collaboration easy and efficient. Whether you choose to add people directly or share via a link, the key is ensuring the right level of access for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.